everyone, Jason Catrone here.
Shelby Rollins.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective. Shelby, it's been a minute.
Jason.
You've been to Puerto Rico, the homeland, the Casa de la Country of Carlos Santiago.
None other than Carlos Santiago.
Carlos is our resident Puerto Rican.
He is.
Yeah, we know you guys love Carlos. We love him too. And
I love him so much I wanted to visit his homeland.
Yeah.
So I did.
Did you guys have fun?
We did.
Yeah, it's beautiful down there.
It was
I've
beautiful.
been one time. I've been twice. Once on a cruise, and once right before COVID, I went with my sister and one of her friends. Yeah, it was really beautiful.
Yeah. It was. We saw some cool things. We went to the Umuwi caves. That was one of my favorite things.
Kamui. I like that word. Kamui.
Umuwi. Did I say it right?
Kamui. Yeah.
Kamui.
Yeah.
Sure.
You say San Juan.
San Juan.
I say San Juan. Carlos, you say it.
San Juan.
Oh, his
Juan.
is. It's just
San
you can tell
Juan.
that's authentic.
Yeah.
Ours is like a made-up Walmart version.
We're American.
Yeah. No slam on Walmart. I'm just saying it's not the original version from the island.
I'm originally from the Gulf Coast in Florida. I am from Panama City, Florida, which is right there on the Emerald Coast, as they call it. White sand, clear, beautiful water.
It's beautiful
If
there.
you come to Panama City, or 30A, as people like to
love
go to
some
from here.
30A.
I do too. And you go down there and you reference the body of water in front of you as the ocean. Every local will be like, I'm sorry, you cannot be here. It is the Gulf.
It's the Gulf.
Call
It's
it the
not
Gulf.
really an
It
ocean.
is not the ocean. And my husband berates me for this. When we started dating, he was like, said something, and I mentioned something about the Gulf of Mexico, and he called it an ocean. I was like, you can't call it an ocean. We can't date if you do that. And he was like, it's an ocean. I was like, it's the Gulf of Mexico. Get a map. And so the next time I saw him, he printed a map off of an online source and photoshopped the word Gulf for the word ocean. So it said the Ocean of Mexico. And I was like, you photoshopped this. He was like, what?
But it comes from an ocean.
But in Puerto Rico, you're actually on the ocean. And can I
Which
tell
one?
you, the Atlantic.
Okay. I'm just testing your knowledge of oceanry.
And so as I'm looking out into this giant body of water, it actually felt almost naughty for me to call it the ocean because I'm so used to calling it the Gulf.
Nautical.
Yeah, but I had to get used to calling it the ocean. My kids were like, Mom, is this the Gulf or the ocean?
Yeah.
I'm like, this is the ocean. And you were correct in calling it
This
the
is
ocean.
really a point of contention.
The
in
water
your
is beautiful.
Family dynamic.
Yeah,
Well,
it's
before
a
we
thing.
move on, I do want to say something from behind the camera because you guys are beating yourself up about pronunciation, but I would like you guys to pronounce how you say Walmart in the U.S., and I will conclude it by saying it how we say it in Puerto Rico.
Okay.
Oh, I say Walmart.
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 I would, if you said that to me, I would not know where you wanted me to go.
Where did you want to
Carlos is like, meet me at, that's why we go to
Walmart.
Target.
go? Say it again.
Walmart.
Walmart.
It almost
Walmart.
sounded like you said woman.
Yeah, that is crazy. How do you say Target?
Target. But we don't have we don't have Target down there.
Oh,
There's
okay.
not a Target?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Starbucks,
What?
Wendy's, Walgreens.
Wait,
Oh
what was
my
the
gosh.
books one?
Some bookstore.
No, I just said Starbucks.
Oh, sorry.
Starbucks.
I thought he said books too.
What did you say it again?
Starbucks.
Starbucks.
Oh my gosh, we have digressed. That's amazing. I really thought
We
he
are
was talking
not
about a
listening
bookstore.
and reacting to
Yeah.
a Puerto Rican
Hey,
act, but
no.
maybe we should.
We probably should. We should get to it. That's
I
for
enjoyed the
sure.
music down
Before
there.
we do, hit the
And-
subscribe button.
The mofongo. I had
Oh, my fungo.
one. No, this other one was
That
not
sounds
good, but
dirty.
one of them was very good. The mofongo.
That sounds naughty.
It's just plantains.
The mofongo.
More or
Oh,
less.
I love some
More or less.
mofongo then.
There's more to it, but
I
still.
love plantains. Yeah, before we do this reaction, hit the subscribe button. Follow us over at Patreon. Check out the podcast. And
That's
now we got
right.
some sidewalk karaoke. Lots of stuff coming at you here on the old Vocal Lab channels because we've been working our mofungos off.
Now it sounds naughty. Also, do you like our new chairs?
Oh yeah, we have new chairs, you guys.
chairs.
There's like so many.
Walmart. That's literally where we got it from.
I think it's more like Timu.
Okay. Anyway,
Okay, here we go. All right.
who we got? Who do we have? Did we say it yet?
Bini.
Bini?
Bini.
Bini?
Yeah. Let's do it one time. Huwag.
Muna?
Tayong.
Umuwi?
I think so. we're going to go with that. But here's a girl group from the Philippines. Let's watch. First time. Never seen them.
They're so cute. Oh my gosh, there's so many.
Whoa,
of
there's
them.
so many. I love all that flora and fauna.
There's 8 of them. Wow. We're giving a lot of girls out there a chance. Philippines, right?
Yes. We have closed captioning. Oh, they don't have closed captioning. Oh, there we go. That?
I don't know what that was.
That was so
She
random.
was not feeling it.
No.
Do they have in-ear monitors?
I can't tell. I don't think so.
Because a lot of them are holding an ear, because I didn't think that they were.
Can't imagine trying to sing with 8 people and all the harmonies.
I mean,
and parts.
this feels like a live.
Yeah, it feels very live for sure.
Visually, it looks like a music video, but I feel like this is like a live performance.
Yeah, I think so.
I like that girl on the far left. And the girl with the rose here.
It's a really long
Some of the best vocals.
Yeah, I agree. Her on the end.
Yeah, she's got the best strength and control over her voice.
Fuller, richer tone too.
Yeah, for sure. And I mean, they all look beautiful.
It looks like
Visually,
a model
it's
photo
gorgeous.
shoot.
Yeah, it does.
Me, us. Bini.
Bini.
All right, first
8
time.
ladies.
I wonder
You know,
if
and they're
Bini
doing-
means 8. Probably not.
Oh,
but
who knows?
who knows?
Tagalog. That's the language in the Philippines.
Yes, you're correct.
I had a friend in high school who's Filipino, and I learned that. Anyway, 8 girls singing in harmony together is quite the feat.
I mean,
To have to, and it's a lot of
and we're not talking
moving
choir
parts.
harmonies,
No.
4-part or
Right.
2-part, right? We're talking
Yeah.
like there's 8 different things going on there.
There were, because there were some people that were singing like a moving background
Mm-hmm.
vocal, and others who were singing, you know, a third or a fifth off of the melody. Then you had the lead, and lead jumped around a ton of times.
Yes, yes.
There's a lot to
Lot going
manage and lock in there, and
You can tell, and
Yeah.
honestly, that's really brave. I actually want to hear one of their like produced songs now because
yeah,
clearly I can tell they're really good at what they do.
and maybe a very acoustic kind
Yeah,
of thing where they're just maybe all sitting in a room in a rehearsal. And
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
really beautiful.
This song had a lot going on too. I mean,
Yeah,
there
a
was just
lot.
a lot. Great introduction. We're gonna do some more of them. If
Yeah,
you guys want us
I'd
to,
like to hear
let us
more.
know. Yeah,
I
we're
would
gonna
like to
listen
hear
more on our own, but let us know what you think, Bini. Yeah. Bring
Yeah,
it all
I
the way
want to
from
hear
the Philippines.
the responses of like other suggestions from the same group.
Great point.
Yeah.
Let us know some other songs to react to
Yeah.
from this group
like
because
your
we know we got
favorites.
some Bini lovers out there. Clearly, there's 8 of them. That's another great thing about
Gosh, that's hard.
about a group. You have 8 people. You got 8 different types of people to attract to what you're doing.
Yeah. Can you
Right.
imagine the band dynamic though?
Oh gosh.
And it's
yeah.
all females. Look, I'm
Yeah.
a girl. I get it. It's like girl energy
It's a lot.
times 8. That's impressive enough to be a successful band. Stay together for I don't know how long they've been a band.
What says
With
right here?
8
It says,
people.
says
8.
since 2000. It said somewhere. I just saw it. Listen, here's the only thing I can relate to being on stage with 8 females with big voices and all the drama and all the all of that. The only thing I can relate to that is standing on stage with Carlos and his diva big head.
Back to Carlos.
Always back to Carlos.
And one mic.
Walmart.
And with that, until next time, I'm Jason Cachone.
I'm Shelby Rollins.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective.